If you speak English, then I'm pretty sure that you know all these words. But did you also know that in Spanish, they are spelled exactly the same, they have the same meaning, but they sound completely different? In today's video, we're gonna discover some of the most common and curious ones. Get ready for some surprises. Hola, I'm Mary J, and I give you a very warm welcome to Say Hola to Spanish. If you have already seen my first two videos, then you know how to pronounce each letter. And if you haven't seen them, I leave them here so you can understand and practice all the sounds. Now, with what you have learned so far, do you know how to pronounce all these words? Do you think you get the pronunciation right? Let's find out. I encourage you to repeat after me. First one, agenda. Una agenda. G plus E. G, agenda. Alcohol. Animal. Brutal. Es brutal. No es brutal, es brutal. La T suena. Brutal. Capital. Same. The T, it's a strong T. Capital. Casual. Casual. Club. Vamos al club. Because it's at the end of the word, the B, it's not such a strong B. It's not like the B of Barcelona. It's not like you don't say the club. You say vamos al club. It's más suave. It's more soft. It's softer. Confusión. Confusion. Confusión. Crisis. Cultural. Cultural. Digital. GI is strong G. Digital. Doctor. Error. Excursión. Here we use the X. Excursión. Explosión. Final. Esto es el final. Flexible. Invisible. Mango. Melón. Again accent. No es melón, es melón. Es strong, melón. Menú. También es un menú, no es un menú. No. ¿Tienes el menú? No, tienes el menú. Menú. Opinión. Again accent. No es opinión, es opinión. Perfume. Moto. Piano. Radio. The R sounds strong because it's at the beginning of the word. Radio. Taxi. Televisión. Again accent. No es televisión, es televisión. La televisión. Terror. Y violín. Also with accent. No es violín, es violín. El violín. And now it's time to learn some essential words and greetings that would help you start communicating in Spanish, and also some important words that may be very handy to know if you need to ask for help in Spanish. So, don't miss next video. Happy practicing. Adios!